It's a snap. But today I'm going to show you how to make our snappy ginger snap cookies. Amazing, such great flavor and easy to make too. I'm going to jump right into it and show you how to make these scrumptious cookies. We're going to start by turning the oven on to 350 degrees. The rack is in the middle position. We're now going to assemble our dry ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. The main hit of spice, 1 tablespoon ground ginger. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Half a teaspoon ground cloves, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Hit it with some black pepper. We're gonna stir the dry ingredients together. We're gonna set them aside. Now we're taking a medium-sized bowl into which I'm adding 8 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of shortening. The butter shortening combination gives us a crispy outside, but a very soft centered cookie. I'm also adding 3/4 of a cup of packed dark brown sugar. Those 3 ingredients in the bowl. Now we're gonna grab a hand mixer, blend everything together on a low setting. Another welcome and expected flavor boost to ginger snaps, molasses. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of molasses. It's so fragrant. I'm adding that in, then I'm cracking in 1 egg. I'm also adding the zest from 1 navel orange. We really enjoy this smidge of orange in ginger snaps. Back to our mixer, we're gonna mix all of those ingredients together. You can take a spatula halfway through and just scoop everything down. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients back with the hand mixer and bring everything together. And just keep working with the hand mixer. All of a sudden, it's gonna seem like the machine starts to stall. Turn the hand mixer off and your dough is pretty much ready. We're then gonna bring the cookie dough together by hand, and now we're ready to shape our cookies. Parchment lined baking sheet is here, dough is here. I also have 2 small bowls. In one, sanding sugar, that very sparkly, kind of like chunky sugar. In the other, granulated. And we love this trick where we take a quantity, probably a little bit more than a teaspoon of the cookie dough, roll it between your hands, nice ball shape. We're first gonna just dip it into the sanding sugar, then lift it out and kind of invert it into the granulated sugar, then over to a baking tray. With that sanding sugar up proud, when the cookie bakes, it kind of goes down and you're left with this beautiful sparkly finish. So again, another little scoop of our cookie dough, roll it into a ball, dip it straight down into the sanding sugar, kind of bring it out, invert, dip it in the granulated, and then over to your baking sheet. This recipe yields 36 cookies. I was terrible when I did it today. I ended up with 38. My math is horrible, but these cookies are fantastic. We're gonna place them into the oven, bake them for 15 minutes. When they come out, let them cool on the cookie sheet, and then we're transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. The nice thing about these cookies, a lot of times we see ginger snap cookies during the holidays. If you're making them during the holidays, you can package them up like this. They make wonderful holiday gifts, but let's not just think about them for the holidays anymore. And I can tell you from experience, I have made these ginger snaps throughout the year, especially in the warm summer months when you're serving homemade ice cream. You place a bowl of ice cream out and you tuck one of these ginger snap cookies into the ice cream. It is such a fantastic flavor combination. Our snappy ginger snap cookies, we hope you enjoy them. Until next time, I'm Nick Manojlovich. Let me, oh look, I can crack it open. It is so crunchy and soft centered, beautiful. Love them.